Welcome to International Coalition of Fellowships, incorporated as ICOF Colleges, Seminary and Universities, a global movement of Christian institution of learning. I want to appreciate the support that we have received from pastors, bishops, evangelists in every church. We are doing our voter education. Voter education is a very important project that ICOF, in partnership with ICOF Institute of Leadership, Peace and Conflict Resolution, have embarked on. We do know that we have embarked on a very important program. It is not only when Christians get involved, get interest in the governance of the nation. And this program is within your churches. This program is within your community. And this program is within your families. Brothers and sisters, time has come for us Christians to be counted. Let us work together to ensure that every believer, every member in your church hold a voter's card. You are a Christian, you are a believer, and you are wondering, how should I participate in the governance of this republic? And what republic are we talking about? We are talking about Zambia, the Christian nation. If Zambia is a Christian nation, believers, you have a stake on who become a councillor, who become an MP, and who become a president. Enough is enough of electing people whose background is questionable, whose integrity is questionable. As a result, we have seen rooting, corruption, division, tribal politics. A response to this, it is you to participate in the governance. Those who do not have, don't worry. On this program, we shall inform you when government of the Republic of Zambia start voter registration in preparation for 2021. In the constituencies where we are currently and what we are doing, we have ensured that young people who have completed grade 12 school and with good results, we have given you an incentives. Apart from being a voter educator, we have given you 100% budget. We are going to train you regardless of the church where you belong, regardless of the doctrinal differences that we may have, because our goal, our common goal, is to see to it that believers make a decision as we go toward 2021. What you need to do is ask in your own constituents, more especially now where we are doing this pilot program. Please, if you are a young man in your church, in your community, this is the wonderful opportunity. We are providing scholarship for you to study for the next 3 years. We are going to give you diploma in teacher education. Our qualifications are accredited nationally and internationally. At national level, Teaching Council is our regulator. So when you get our diploma in teacher education, certified by the Ministry of Education through Teaching Council, you are assured of job in government. We are targeting teachers because in Zambia, teachers are our managers of elections, our presiding officers during elections. We were raising a group of believers who are going to hold people in public office accountable by voting those who are not performing out, by maintaining those who keep their promises in government. Governance and voter education using teachers. Ask in Mandevu constituency. Just ask any of your pastor within your church or within your community whose church is a member of the International Coalition of Fellowships. Go there, take your results, photocopy of your NRC, and you'll be admitted. For the next 3 years, we'll train you. In Chongwe constituency, just ask around churches, around pastors. They will inform you where you found our pastors who are members of the International Coalition of Fellowships, where their churches are members, they are affiliates to International Coalition of Fellowships, a global movement. Even the pastor is a member. They will recommend you and you will benefit in these important programs. Central Province, we are there in Nangoma constituency. Check around that community. Ask any of the pastors. Ask any of the church leaders. They will advise you where ICOF offices are found. In Kapiri constituency, just do the same. Ask around. Our people are there. Copperbelt Province, Chirida-Bombwe constituency. In fact, in Copperbelt, we have even included the Chingola constituency. As we are talking to you right now, students are meeting at Chingola School of Continuing Education, commonly known as Skills Center. Go there right now. You find our provincial coordinator, Madam Ngosa, our registrar, Dr. Ali Kimbewe, our postgraduate dean, Dr. Bizoza, and the team. They are there waiting. They are training your friends. They are already in class. Just rush there, meet them, be part and parcel of the movement. Your vote count, as you are aware that our slogan is Christians Rise Up. Your vote is our future. Luapula Province, we are in Mansa Central constituency. Go at FM private school. Ask for Dr. Mburo. Our coordinator is going to ensure that you are immediately admitted. In Samfia, we are in the Chifunawuli constituency. There is a very hardworking man there, Mr. Mwansa. See him and get details on how best you can participate in this important program. Southern Province, we have Dr. Ngandu, who is there. Dr. Ngandu is our provincial coordinator for Southern Province. He is found at Sekedi Secondary School. Go there, just in a constituency in Monza Central or Momba constituency. Please, this is your opportunity to get a career and be a voter educators in your community. This year, last year, in 2015, you may have voted for a particular political party or particular individual. 2016, you voted for a particular person or a particular political party. A vote is a promise. If they have not delivered, you have a mandate not to vote for them. If they have delivered, you have a mandate to keep them. And to do this, you need to have a vote in your hand. Please, register as a voter. Brothers and sisters, we do believe that through this important program, the Christian vote, which cannot be compromised, shall count. Your vote is our future. I believe and trust that as we do this program, for those that want us to pass through our offices for Mandev here, where our offices are, just come along Kasangura Road or along Katimamuriro Road, off Pendera Road. You find our billboards. You come to our office immediately. Our staffs are there working 7 days a week to ensure that every youth is given an opportunity. Rise up as believers, that your vote is the only voice that politicians understand. Prayers, yes. But for you to participate in the governance of this republic, your vote counts. Thank you so much. I wish you have find this information useful, and for us to ensure that we are together in every posting that we are uploading. Kindly subscribe to this channel so that every time once we upload the latest information regarding what programs, what scholarships, or any other program that ICOF Colleges, University and Seminary is bringing, all our motherboard, the International Coalition of Fellowships, they are sharing, you are able to be updated. Share this information, subscribe. Thank you so much.